Zikhona izinto ongayijulela, kodwa ngeke ucubungule yonke inkulumo ekhulunywa abantu. Abantu ubanikeza ispace eside ukuze yonke into abayishoyo ingafinyeleli enhlizweni yakhe affect. There are no pros and cons kuleyo nto. Uwena oyifundisayo ukuthi yonke into eshoyo abantu awuyithatha uyifake enhlizweni. Kunabantu nje abazokuchukuluza, abazokudelela, abazokweyisa with ihope ukuthi bazokuchitha. Angithi uma kudlala ibhola, bonke abantu ibhola bayalimaka. Ngamanye amazwi, uma bekhuluma against wena, benzela ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bekuphuce ibhola. Uma wena udinwa noma uhlala entweni eyodwa icubungula, ugcina ungasakwazi uku-enjoya impilo yakho uNkulunkulu akuphe yona. uNkulunkulu akukwenzela impilo enhle ephezulu. Uma ekwenzela impilo enhle ephezulu, bonke abantu bayayifuna, and therefore abantu bazokumaka. Ngamanye amazwi bazokudelela, bazokuchukuluza, bazokuprovoka, benzela ukuthi lokho nakho kubhidlike ube kwi-level yabo. La bekhona bagcwele baningi, abakwazi ukukhuleka noma kanjani. Uma uNkulunkulu eku-elevate-ekisa phezulu, ingale nkathi uthola i-peace, contentment noma i-joy, nokwazi nje ukuba umuntu oba alone with their ideas. Lokho kukodwa kuhle. So abantu bakufuna, abakwazi ukuthola ngoba climbing up is really not easy, which is why la kumele understand ukuthi you must learn the technique yokuthi yonke into eshoyo abantu awuyicubungula, uhlala entweni eyodwa. Learn to forgive and to move on. When you learn to forgive and to move on, ingale nkathi ukwazi ukuya phambili ngokushesha. Abantu abaningi bavimbeka, they cannot because they have not mastered the technique yokuthi bengathathi yonke into in. Zikhona izinto that need your attention, but not everything needs your attention. Kunabantu vele abangakuthandi, abangasoze bakuthanda ngoba nabo abayithandi. Umuntu ongayithandi-ke noma ungayishintsha kangaki ukuze akwamukele, ngiyakwamukela ngoba nakazamukele. Until ebe kwi-level yakho, ila ezoku-understanda khona kungani uphila le mpilo ephilayo. But-ke you can't waste your time busy explaining yourself kubantu ukuthi why you acting that way. The only thing that you need to do ukuthi qhubeka, uba lo muntu uNkulunkulu amdalile, iba kule level uNkulunkulu ambeke kuyona, and then keep praying, keep pushing. Izinto abantu abayishoyo whether ingakini semsebenzini noma yikuphi la ohlanganyela khona noma yikuphi-ke in general, do not take them into heart ukuze uzokwazi ukukhululeka la emhlabeni. La emhlabeni akukhululeki kalula, kodwa wena kumele uyifundise.